Guys, today I need to talk about the next big move that is happening for Bitcoin. I need to talk you through what I see on the charts right now. I need to show you the stuff that's been going on in the crypto space today and yesterday. Big things have been announced, big things have been happening. I'm gonna update you on my trades, both my trading strategies as well as the individual trades I made a couple of days ago. I will update you on that. I will let you know what my exact next action is going to be for us to go from $4,000 to $1 million in this bull run. So guys, make sure to stick around from the beginning until the end. Welcome back everybody. My name is Chris, bringing you cryptocurrency videos every day, teaching you how to make money in this market. If you're new to the channel, then make sure to subscribe and activate the bell right now. So let's get straight into it. And what you can see guys from my video yesterday, we did consolidate inside of this downward sloping channel. We did break down from it. And you know that I was talking about this bold orange line being the support level for Bitcoin. And the bulls really did step in here. Yes, we came pretty close to it right here at 26,540, which was like $100 off from this orange line. However, the bulls did step in, and how did they do that? We did have a big pump here. This pump actually was on this 4-hourly candle, or these two 4-hourly candles, basically almost 3.5%. So big level of confidence being shown here by the bulls. And now we need to look out for the next major move. The first thing I want to say is that what you're seeing right now is consolidation. You are seeing a bull flag being formed. This is one of my favorite patterns, having a big pump, having sideways consolidation. Sideways consolidation, this usually leads, as you know, if you've been following my channel, this usually leads into another impulsive move up, okay? So the next level of resistance would be at 27,732, which would also be the level we were struggling with right here for a prolonged period of time. It was the same level we got rejected of, and I also warned you about this when we were having, you can see that we were having a similar pattern right here. You have a big pump, you have consolidation, sideways consolidation, and then we did have an impulsive move up here to 27,700. So these are the key levels to watch right now in the short term, guys. This level at 27,700, this is gonna most likely be strong resistance. And if we do see that impulsive move up, then you have that. And also, you can see that the orange line also, we did have a pullback here during this time period. After this massive move up, we did come down to the orange line, got supported there at 27,200. And we're talking about small, like a couple of $100 price movements here, guys. But still, these levels are being respected, which is fantastic. And you can see the same thing here. Big move, consolidation, and then another impulsive move up, came down. So you can see how this goes. Usually, after a big pump, when you have sideways consolidation, it usually leads into another pump upwards. So on the balance of probabilities, I would say that I think that we're going to have a pump upwards. However, we do have this resistance right here. We do have the support level down here. So you're able to play based on whatever the price is going to do. And I will get to my trades here in a little bit. My trades I opened up a couple of days ago. I will teach you, or I will show you my exact strategy and what I am doing here. Now, why did we see this pump for Bitcoin? Well, traditional markets did see a massive pump yesterday and also moving into today. And guys, this big move, you can see that this is actually not too far from the local highs here on traditional markets, right? So the local highs here on traditional markets were just, how much higher do we need to go to the absolute peak here? That's like less than 1%, okay? So that means that I think it's a matter of time until we start to see also Bitcoin start to have another big impulsive move upwards, strengthening that thesis. Now, we need to keep watching the traditional markets here, because if we see traditional markets see a big drop, then of course, then that is gonna play a part also for Bitcoin. But for Ethereum, we're not seeing that big of a pump. You're seeing consolidation. You're seeing us being stuck at a level right here. So that is Ethereum. But long term for Bitcoin, guys, on the daily time frame, you know that we've been talking about this resistance level up here. So this is at call it 28,200. So about $800 until we reach this resistance level. So these are the key things we need to watch now. 28,200. We do have 27,700, and the support levels, we already know about them. And now let's talk about my trades. Before I talk about these key things, you will not believe who is buying hundreds of millions of dollars worth of Bitcoin. And this chart, this is something that has not been happening a lot in Bitcoin's history, only once. And when it happened before, it did lead into big pumps. So nonetheless, I am still bullish, as you know, although we're trying to take advantage of these short-term swings. So let's get straight into that now as well. So the first thing is my trading strategies, these are currently at about, I don't know, like overall, maybe $10,000 or in that vicinity. So yeah, big profits being made here. And I am going to take massive action on this strategy here to go from $4,000 to $1 million, which I'm showing you here on the channel. Now, in overall, the bots have been making 24,500. That is excluding the profits you are currently seeing on these particular bots. But one thing I want to do, guys, is I want to restart these bots. This particular bot, this is still like, this is an Ethereum bot, and Ethereum needs to reach 1,903 to be able to take profit on this position. And then once all of these buy-in orders have been cleared on these current trading strategies, I want to restart them, and I will make an adjustment as well. I will keep you updated, as you know. However, as you know, also, I did add a couple of hedge trades. I did add 2 hedge trades, one for Bitcoin and one for Ethereum. And these ones are currently still open, of course. You know the exact strategy. When these bots goes up and clears these levels, which is for Bitcoin at about 27,000, let me see here, at 27,999. So Bitcoin needs to reach this for these trading strategies to clear those Bitcoin positions. So this is why I have these hedge trades to have that stop loss at the same price, $28,000. So when those profits are being taken on that bot or those bots, these stop losses will be cleared as well. So they will be at a small loss. However, if Bitcoin continues to go down in Ethereum, these are going to equalize out the losses for the bots. But I want to restart the bots to make that one adjustment. So I will keep you posted about that. And if you don't know what it means to hedge a position and why I have these open and how I am kind of using these together with the trading strategy right here, go to the trading document. You have it at the top of the description. Boom, you go here, trading journal. Go to the top of the description. It takes you to this page. So from this point, you go down and you hover over these trading positions. This is the Ethereum one. This is the Bitcoin one. Click on this one. It takes you where you can see the exact strategy, explain everything in these links. You can watch it in English, Spanish, German, French, whatever language you want to watch here. You just click on this. It takes you exactly to that point where I explain everything. So this is how I am teaching you how I'm making money, how I intend to go to from $4,000 to 1 million. So we'll see if that's going to be successful or not. So far, it's been doing great. And this is where it gets really, really interesting. When I take the profits, I take the initial $4,000 and the profit. And remember, we still have profits right here on the bot. So when I close these, we will add even more profits. And I take everything, which will be at like $60,000. I take this and I add new strategies and I start to compound that. So compounding is a fantastic tool to make even more money over time. And of course, if you want to use the same, you're able to do this. You need an OKX account. That is the most convenient way to do it. Go get an OKX account, click on this one right here, claim $60,000 in bonuses. Once you have signed up the account, you can click join now. Go to this link at the top. They have a promotion right now also where you're able to earn up to, what is that, $40,000. So not only $60,000 on this link by clicking this, signing up, also go up, click join now on this button right now, claim up to $40,000. And then you have my exact bot trading strategies settings. If you want to use my settings, you have them right here. Boom, for bot 1, for Bitcoin and Ethereum, bot 2, bot 3. So you can use that. Now, let's get into some of the key things that are happening right now on the chart. So you can see that we right now have a crossing of the 20-week moving average, or EMA, crossing the 200-week EMA, which is the red line. And you can see it's crossing from the downside, crossing it through the upside. Now, this has happened once before. It actually happened here in 2000 and 16 or in the bear market here, you can see that we were crossing it right here, and this led into a massive bull market for Bitcoin. So this has only happened once in history before. We will see. Basically what this shows us is that compared to where we have been, we are still very we're very oversold. People are very bearish, or have been very bearish throughout this bear market, and the fair value is higher for Bitcoin. And you can see that that is the case right now, that we are crossing this one right now, usually leads into a massive bull market. The one time it happened before, I should say. Now, there's a couple of other things to pay attention to. Biden will have a press conference on Sunday, and we're going to see a continuation of this volatility throughout this week. So you're going to have a lot of volatility throughout the week, Fed officials saying what they feel about the markets, which has an effect, and they are going to do this conference on Sunday, which will also affect, of course, the traditional and the crypto market. So we're keeping attention to that. Now, one key thing you will not believe who is buying hundreds of millions of dollars worth of Bitcoin. So Tether, the company that is issuing the USDT. So Tether currently holds $82 billion worth of USD. Okay. So they hold these and they're earning yield on that, and they are extremely profitable. They are making so much money. And now they have announced that they are actually allocating up to 15% of its net realized operating profits, which is insane amounts of profits. They are going to use 15% of that to start buying Bitcoin. So they currently have $1.5 billion in their reserves already. So over time, as Tether are making more and more profit, they're pumping our Bitcoin bags. In a sense, they're buying Bitcoin over time, same as MicroStrategy, same as a lot of individuals out there and massive companies as well. So Bitcoin has such a bright future ahead. Over time, Bitcoin is going to reach $1 million. It's going to reach even higher than that. It's only a matter of time. And that is what I got for you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.